Okay, how to change the battery on a Toyota Yaris remote control keyless version. First of all, push this little clip in here, take your key out. There we go, nice and easy that bit. Find the end in here and just kind of pop it open. Just kind of work your way around. And then it pops out. That's that bit done. Next, we just need to unclip these bits. That's that side done. That's that side. So we've now got access to the battery. I find if you get a little screwdriver like this, it's a little bit easier to pop this out because it's a bit stiff. And there is a little gap, you can just poke it in and then it pops out. Get your new one. Straight back in and make sure it's clipped in. Take your top. It's that way around, wasn't it? That's the way around it goes. Make sure you get it right around. It actually fits in as per the kind of guidance there. Take your top, click it back in, and last but not least, the emergency key, and there you go. One battery replaced on the Toyota Yaris keyless entry system.